As Russian aggression on Ukraine continues, the slow and messy advance of the Russian forces has entered its second week. Despite the Russian manpower and hardware supremacy over the Ukrainian forces, the Russian army still didn't manage to complete the goal of encirclement of Kiev and Kharkiv. On the south of the country, Russian forces are still fighting for the besieged town of Mariupol. If the Russian forces manage to occupy this town, then the Ukrainian forces which are holding the line against pro-Russian rebels in Donbas will be in danger to be encircled by the Russian forces from the north and south. Nevertheless, in the meantime the Ukrainian defenders are taking heavy toll on Russian invaders, and now we will see the latest videos published by the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine. In this destroyed Russian column we can see only fuel trucks, and this was probably part of the Russian logistic fuel supply. US military sources briefed this days that the huge Russian military convoy which is approaching Kiev is being hit by Ukrainian forces multiple times, and those impacts has slowed the formation from reaching the capital. On this video there is destroyed armor and more trucks. This is interesting video because beside destroyed trucks there are howitzers which are left in the field, which suggest that this is abandoned Russian fire position, which is taken by the Ukrainians. On this video we can see another destroyed Russian fighter above Kharkiv, and this was the work of some Ukrainian air defense system, or maybe by American Stinger shoulder-fired missiles that are supplied to Ukraine from NATO and European countries. The Ukrainians are reporting that this is the third Pantsir-S short-range missile system that is left by the Russian forces. The reason are unknown, maybe it's a repair issue or the vehicles are left without fuel. The heroic resistance of the Ukrainian citizens is continuing throughout the country, and this is a protest in Kherson. During the protests, someone even managed to take one of the Russian armored transports and drove off with Ukrainian flag. At the end this is the latest figure of Russian casualties published by Ukraine: 11,000 soldiers, 46 planes, 68 choppers, 290 tanks, 999 vehicles, 23 anti-aircraft systems, 50 multi-rocket launchers, 454 trucks, 60 fuel tanks, 117 artillery weapons, 7 drones and 3 light boats. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.